Hi everyone, I'm doing my project on the app Goodreads. Goodreads is an app for people that read books to find new books, make lists to keep track of books they have read and want to read. It's also a way for them to recommend books to others and write reviews. So this is going to be a tutorial that covers the very basics of the app. It's not in-depth by any means, but it's sufficient for someone that is new to it. So I have a screencast of what I have done so far. I have not changed out any images or videos, but I have the basic setup of what this course is going to look like and a few activities and questions thrown in. So in this beginning, they have an introduction to the course, and just like a snazzy little sort of discussion topic almost in a way to see if they've ever thought about this type of app. And they swipe up to learn more about the features. Once again, I have the text in, but I have not changed the images yet. You can feel free to explore this more later. After they have seen the basic introduction, we're going to get into the account setup. So this is what the actual account, the app looks like when you log in. I will have a video there, a screencast going over the different features of the app. I just have not finished it yet. Once they have watched the video, they will have this question: what are the names of the tabs on the Goodreads homepage? So when they watch the video, they will see the tabs Discover, My Books, and Home, but not Fun. So they're going to select the 3 that are there. I might need to change this a little bit. It looks like it'll only let me select 2 right now. Clearly I need to play around with that feature some more. After they have answered that, they are completed with the account setup part. I think I do want to add something in there about making sure you have your account set up before they watch that video, so that they can kind of follow along and explore the account while watching the video, if that makes sense. Next is the part about the book list. So there are several book lists that you can curate on the app. The first is a read list, so books you have read, and they're going to drag it to see why they would do this. This list is helpful for them to know what books to recommend to you. Continue. Originally, I had wanted to do screencast videos of how to add books to each list, but when I saw this feature about dragging, I thought it might be cool to have a before and an after, or before and an action shot, something like that. So let me know if you think that would work well, or if they should have a video. And this is going to be the same for the want to read list, same type of setup. And there's going to be another list as well, the currently reading, but that one's a little bit more complicated, so I haven't finished those slides yet. Their discussion question for this round will be to take a moment and add a book to each list and then write in what books they added. The fourth module, or fourth part, is book reviews. So they can select these tabs to see more about the revision process, why it's important, and what it consists of. I am thinking I'm going to do the same setup with a before and after shot of how to make a book review, and I have captions for these pictures. And then they're going to have a question about a book they recently read and how they would review it. That is what I have so far. I have not finished a conclusion slide. I would love your feedback on if you think the before and after shots would work, or if I should do the videos, and also if you think the activities are actually reflective and would be purposeful for them. Thanks.